How's it going, everyone? My name is Steve and you're watching the Gearhead Gallery here at the GR Auto Gallery. Today I have the absolute pleasure of bringing you a quick highlight video on this 1998 BMW 528i. Starting with the exterior, the car is sporting its original paint job, Orient Blue Metallic. Shows very, very well overall. Just a super deep, pretty blue that shows really well in different lightings. Also on the exterior of the vehicle, you're going to see the original BBS basket weaves. I don't think it's a huge argument here. I think BMW has the world's best OEM wheels. The basket weaves are just a timeless classic and they show very well. We do have the original hex tool as well to get these center caps off. Under the hood of the BMW, you'll find the original 2.8 liter inline six pushing around 197 horsepower and 207 foot-pounds of torque. Hopping into the interior of the vehicle, you're going to see this awesome tan leather. Even for 120,000 miles, it still shows very, very well. I just got out of that thing and it's very, very comfortable to sit in. You do have the three-tone colored interior as well. Up on the top of the dash, you have the darker tan, split up by kind of these black wood grain accents, and then a lighter beige tan to finish it out. Just a super, super awesome car. Let's go drive it. All right, now that we've gone over the exterior of the vehicle, I figured we'd hop on the interior, kind of show you what it's all about, go over some highlights, and take it for a quick spin. So overall, like I said, for having 122,000 miles on the vehicle, it shows very, very well in here. I'm not lying when I say this is like the most comfortable seat I've sat in a while. It's broken in just the right places and just hugs you nice, and it's just like your grandma's couch. Like I said, 122,166 miles on the dash. Power windows all the way around, and they're auto, which is very, very convenient. You do have power mirrors as well. Let's test those out. Passenger side's working. Same with the driver's side over here. You do have steering wheel controls for sound and cruise control as well. Obviously, you got wipers, power telescoping, and tilt wheel. Works as it should. You do have an aftermarket dual head unit. You can see that works well. Obviously, your basic climate control, automatic transmission, ashtray right there, secret little cubby there, and yeah, you do have 3 memory seat positions as well. I think all we got left to do is take it for a spin. Shifts nice and firm, not gear hunting whatsoever. Track straight going down the road. Brakes feel very good, no brake steer. Just an awesome, awesome daily. Super, super comfortable. A couple other notable things about the vehicle. As most of you know, BMWs do have the drop-down roadside toolkit as well. This one's missing a couple items in there, but it has all the main stuff. Like I said, you do have the hex tool for the BBS center caps. You do have the 17 mil lug wrench. I want to say an 8 and a 12 mil wrench as well. Pair of dikes and a couple other things in there. So that is really cool to have. Like I said, the 3-tone interior looks fantastic. You got kind of this darker tan up top, dark kind of a black wood grain, and then the beige undertone there. So just a super, super awesome car. We've got this one priced pretty aggressively. This would make an awesome daily or even a project car, whatever you want to do with it. It is ready for you. So thank you guys for watching and enjoy the rest of your day. And that's all we have for today, folks. Thank you for tuning in to the Gearhead Gallery here at the Grand Rapids Auto Gallery. That's a wrap on this 1998 BMW. If you'd like to see the full listing with more pictures, feel free to go to our website. We will have the link in the description. Full pictures there, underside, interior, motor, whatever you want to see. If you have specific questions about the vehicle, feel free to give us a call. Thanks for watching.